We spent a week in Destin, and here's how it went. We arrived at the campground and got all set up. Then we went over to the crab trap for dinner, which was delicious. After dinner, we took a walk on the beach that's just behind the restaurant. Then we went back to the resort and walked down to the water to check out the bay we would be playing in this week. And this happened.
See the flash of that gun? Oh, they're running. They just shot this one.
We had no idea what was going on, but after a call to the local authorities, we learned it was pirates heading to the Billy Bowlegs Festival, which is an annual thing that they do here that we had no idea about. That would have been helpful to know ahead of time. The next morning started with a gorgeous sunrise, and we decided to paddle over to Crab Island. We've wanted to do this for years, but the weather was never right when we were here, but today was the perfect day for it. We took our lunch and everything with us, but you don't have to. You can purchase everything you need out here. We paddled over to the Okaloosa Island grass flats, the North Side Beach, and then we went under the Destin Bridge, which takes you back on the jetty side, which is just behind the Destin Harbor. After a full day of paddling, we went back home, grilled some pork chops for dinner, and called it a day. The next day, we decided to chill poolside. This is the Island Hotel. It's located just across the street from our resort, and if you're camping here, you can enjoy these amenities for free. On our fourth day, we decided to kayak back here on the bayside. If you launch behind the resort and head east, there's a little white sandy beach just a few hundred yards away. Got the kayaks launched right there on the little beach. Nice clear water right here. Watch all the boats go out. Everybody's heading out to Crab Island today because the sun finally came out. Then just past that is the Ross Marler Park, which also has a boat launch. They also have picnic tables and clean restrooms. Picnic right there. We went on down just past the 98 bridge. This is where the no wake zone ends, so we turned around here. But the rest of this area is a no wake zone, so it's a pretty easy paddle. We spent our last day just relaxing and then went to the Destin Harbor that evening. We walked back on the beach by the jetties. And then stopped for ice cream on the way back to the resort. As always, we had a great time in Destin and Fort Walton Beach, and we can't wait to go back. Let us know what your favorite part is. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all on the next one.